I've been to a lot of countries. I met a lot of people, especially mga Filipinos. And minsan nakakalungkot. Kasi, yun nga, nagpapakahirap sila, but then wala silang napupundar, nagsisipag sila sa ibang bansa. So, it's good to have a home back home kasi, di ba?
Kumusta ug maayong adlaw kabayan? Welcome back to the Pinoy Expat. My name is Icon and I am your host. Dito sa Pinoy Expat, pag-uusapan natin ang iba't ibang aspeto ng buhay ng Pilipino sa ibang bansa. Ang aming advokasya sa channel na ito ay ang magbigay ng tamang edukasyon, impormasyon at inspirasyon sa inyong lahat nasaan man kayo sa mundo. Isa sa pinakakaraniwang bagay na kadalasang nakakaligtaan ng karamihan ng OFW ay ang mag-ipon at mag-invest sa Pilipinas habang nasa ibang bansa sila. Alam natin na hindi pang habang buhay ang pagiging OFW. Darating ang panahon na magpapasya tayong umuwi sa Pilipinas. At magiging mas makabuluhan ang ating sakripisyo kung sa ating pag-uwi ay meron tayong makikita na bunga ng ating pagsisikap. Ngayong araw kasama natin si Chris, isang property specialist mula sa Ayala International upang sagutin ang iilan sa mga tanong natin ukol sa pag-i-invest sa real estate sa Pilipinas. Samahan niyo ako at pakinggan natin ang kanyang payo. Hello Chris, kumusta?
Hi, Icon. I'm back here in Sydney.
Yeah, welcome back. It's been a while. How long have you been doing this?
9 years now. I've been with one of the sub-brands of Ayala, Avida before, for 7 years. Before na-transfer ako dito sa mother company which is Ayala.
And ever since, has it been international yung hawak mo?
Yes, opo.
And so far, gaano na kadami yung mga OFWs or Filipino expats abroad na nakausap mo and nag-invest sa Ayala?
Super dami na. As in, madami. I've been to different countries. So, yung mga clients ko talaga, sobrang dami na. What's good is, every year, mas dumadami pa siya. Meaning, mas marami yung mga tao ngayon na interested or open na sila to investing in properties.
And so far, sa lahat ng mga nag-invest sa'yo, how happy are they with their investment?
I can say na very happy sila kasi they refer friends, families nila, tsaka mga repeat clients ko din sila eh. So, minsan magtatanong sila, magme-message na, Hotel or Chris, may mga bago ba kayong projects? Ano yung next na ilo-launch nyo na project? Meaning happy sila.
Let's go right away dun sa mga investment properties na meron kayo. Ano yung pinaka-affordable na property na pwede naming simulan na mag-invest?
Good question yan, no? Kasi Icon, sabi nila, di ba, pag Ayala, naririnig nila yung Ayala, ang unang-una na agad iniisip nila, mahal eh, di ba? Ayala kasi yun eh. Pero now kasi we have a lot of brands under Ayala Land. And siguro sa affordable, you can start your investment for as low as 10,000 pesos.
10,000 pesos a month?
Yes, a month.
And how long is that?
Depending on the location or the project, no, meron kaming like 36 months to 48 months up to 60 months. So, you don't have to shell out big amount of money. Meron kaming mga no spot down payment na terms.
So wait lang, 10,000 a month for let's say 5 years, that's only less than 300 Australian dollars a
Yes.
month. And usually iniisip natin, kapag yung mga real estate property, mga ganyan, talagang mag-shell out ka ng malaking pera every month. But you can start at less than $300 a month.
Yes.
Kung magsisimula ako mag-invest ngayon, how soon can I start making money out of that investment?
Kasi Icon, you can earn through like for example capital appreciation or rental income kasi 'di ba sa properties. So if you go for a pre-selling, halos every quarter or 6 months nag-earn yung mga properties eh. Tumataas kasi yung value ng mga properties ni Ayala. Kung naman ready for occupancy naman yung project na pipiliin mo, then you can earn through rental income agad if ready for occupancy na siya. At the same time, nag-i-increase din yung value ng property.
Now, why invest in Ayala? Ang daming ibang real estate developers. What sets Ayala apart from these other real estate developers?
Ayala Land kasi it's a known brand. It is the largest real estate developer in the Philippines right now. We don't just develop kasi yung mga standalone condominiums or projects, no. We develop communities. So, within the community, nandun na lahat. Everything is within reach. And, pag Ayala kasi, di ba, alam, karamihan, like mga Filipinos abroad, pag narinig na nila yung Ayala, alam na nila kilala na nila.
So I think what you're saying is the brand or the name speaks for itself.
Yes, the brand speaks for itself.
Pwede ba ako mag-invest sa Ayala kahit na I'm an Australian citizen?
Yes, you can invest in the Philippines. We have a lot of foreign investors nga in the Philippines eh. What more ikaw na former Filipino ka, di ba?
Nandito ako ngayon sa Australia. Pwede ba akong mag-loan sa Philippines while I'm here, or yung ibang OFWs while they are in, let's say, Saudi Arabia, they're in Canada, pwede ba silang mag-loan? Pwede ba kaming mag-loan sa Philippines habang nasa ibang bansa kami? How can you assist us with that?
We have bank partners na rin, Icon. So, anywhere kayo sa mundo, makikater na nila yung mga loan processing. Everything is done through online na rin. So, it's easy na makipag-communicate yung mga bank partners natin. And, again, I'm an international seller. Most of my clients are abroad.
Sa bagay, sabi mo nga, you've been doing this for 9 years. Siguro, alam mo na yung mga ins and outs kung paano i-process yung mga ganito. Do I have to be physically present sa Philippines before I can start investing, or pwedeng lahat through online na lang?
You don't need to be in the Philippines. Everything can be done online. So, from documentations up to payments, may mga payment facility kami. Online na rin. So, madali na siya.
Pero of course, pwede ko namang bisitahin anytime yung property ko kung gustuhin ko.
Yes, pwede.
Ayala is all over the country. You have multiple projects sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. In your opinion, saan pinakamaganda mag-invest ngayon sa Pilipinas?
Mahirap yun, no? Kasi we have a lot of projects, good projects right now in the Philippines. Siguro I can say na we focus on the locations that you know, or syempre yung mga estate projects natin like Makati pa rin. We have Nuvali in the south. We also have BGC. So, yun pa rin. Yung mga yun pa rin, like Mandaluyong CBDs. Norte naman, we also have Alviera in Pampanga, and a lot, as in a lot. If it is for investment, still go for the metro projects.
So kung habol mo is rental units, or hindi kaya you plan on selling in the future, dun ka sa metro.
Yes.
Balik lang tayo saglit dun sa sinabi mo kanina, you can start at 10,000 a month. Itong 10,000 per month na to, can you give us a picture? Anong klaseng unit ito?
This is a studio unit. Let's say, for example, it's an Amaya brand in Cubao. The floor area is around 18 to 24 square meters. It's a bare unit. Standard deliverable po tayo. So, everything is complete except the furnitures. All you have to do is bring in your things. So, studio, meron ka ng kitchen, shower, tapos yung combined living, dining, and bedroom mo. But you are free to use the amenities like swimming pool, gym, and gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, you're not only just a unit or property owner, you are also a member of the community. So for as low as 10,000 pesos, you can start your investment na in the Philippines. All you have to do is reserve the unit for 30,000 pesos, and then monthly ka na. You don't have to do the spot down payment to get a property.
No spot down payment, meaning no deposit. Wala akong isi-shell out sa simula.
Just the reservation to hold the unit under your name, and then start your investment. Depende pa rin siya kasi sa location na gusto mo for the pricing, no? Syempre, if you're looking at BGC, maybe it's a bit higher than that.
Now, if should I decide to start investing now, ano yung una kong kailangan gawin?
Well, you can reach out to me. We can do Zoom meeting if you're not here in Australia, or if I'm not here in Australia, I can call you and then we can discuss. We can probably talk about yung goals mo and then how you can start your investment.
Any last words for our viewers before we go?
Well, to all the viewers, I hope you consider investing in the properties sa Philippines. Kasi Icon, we have a lot of projects right now in the Philippines, and what's good is we recently adopted the golden age of infrastructure, meaning yung mga prices of properties in the Philippines mag-shoot up siya, diba? It's highly correlated with the infra projects. And alam natin na yung mga Filipinos abroad, nagpapakahirap sila to work, to sustain the life abroad, and at the same time, provide for their family, 'di ba, sa Pilipinas. And I've been to a lot of countries, I met a lot of people, and minsan nakakalungkot. Kasi, yun nga, nagpapakahirap sila, but then, wala silang napupundar, nagsisipag sila sa ibang bansa. So, it's good to have a home back home kasi, di ba?
Well, thank you so much, Crystal, for your time. And I hope marami tayong ma-encourage and ma-enlighten na Filipinos na working abroad really isn't all about working abroad and earning money. It's also about saving and hoping one day meron tayong matabi para pag uwi natin sa Pilipinas, meron tayong sariling property that, you can really call our own. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are curious or if you want to know more about investing real estate property through Ayala, make sure to contact Chris. Andyan sa comments and sa description yung kanyang contact details. Once again, thank you for watching. My name is Icon and this is the Pinoy Expat. See ya!